Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, May 29, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result. Ngayon Thursday, May 29, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong May 29, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, May 29, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for May 29, 2025, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, May 29, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.